Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you an easy technique which you can use for making your own plating dust at home. I will do two options, one savory with sweet potatoes and one sweet with strawberries. So I hope you're gonna like them, and let's do it. And let's start with sweet potato dust. The same thing you can do with normal potatoes, or even better with purple potatoes. This dust you want to use primarily for main courses, but even for the starters. So I have here some sweet potatoes, and the first thing I want to do is to peel them and chop them roughly. Then I can transfer them inside the pot, cover them with water, and I'm gonna cook them until they are super soft. So the potatoes are cooking, so let's start with strawberry version. This option is gonna be amazing for plating of your desserts. So I baked these beautiful strawberries, and now I'm gonna wash them in cold water and then slice them. And at this time, you can season your dust. I'm gonna use sugar, cinnamon and lime juice. I mix everything carefully together, and then I spread the strawberries on the baking tray. And I bake it around 60 degrees Celsius until the strawberries are completely dry. At this time, our sweet potatoes nice and soft, so I'm gonna mash them with this tool, and then I can season it. I'm using salt, garlic powder and chili powder, but you can adjust the taste how you like it. And the last step is to spread the mix on the baking tray, and I'm gonna dry it as well. And in few hours, you end up with something like this. Now I can scrape it and blitz it in the blender until I get beautiful dust. This strawberry dust will be amazing for every dessert you will make at home. And the same thing I will do with the sweet potato version. I will rip up the sheet to smaller pieces so the blender can mix it properly, and I'm gonna blend it for a few minutes. And the sweet potato dust is ready as well. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you would like to learn another pastry decoration, check out this video with these beautiful leaves, which you can make easily at home and use them for your desserts. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.